In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new pages like essential page, about us, contact us, privacy policy, etc. So you just go to enter your admin panel and then click on our website. Then you will see the main navigation in here. These are all the pages are listed on the main navigation, and these are pages but not linked on the navigation, but this also the pages. So here's the about page showing the demo. So you can just click on the page and then it will load in here. And then for the demo page remove, we just need to click on double click and the demo is already gone. Now the page is live on the site. Okay, so let's see how to edit or duplicate one. We can just click on the setting icon and then make it duplicate page, or we can create a blank page. Just click on the plus icon or on the not link plus and then make a blank page or page layout. So I'm going to select a page layout and then I'm going to create a about page. Just click on the about, and here's already some about page template, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, so I'm going to choose the first one and then about us, make it about us. Change the URL from here, about us. Yes, that's fine. And then going to click on edit. This is the title. We can make it more smaller or more bigger, whatever you like. Make it H2 or H3. Okay, make it H2. And then we can keep the text on the left side, whatever you like. Just drag and drop in here. Okay, so if you want to make it more wide, then make it like this. Okay, so that's perfect. We can keep the we can make the all the content in center. Fill to screen divider shape. Okay, so this is fine now. Make it more videos. Suppose I want to make the font a little bit bigger, then just click on the font and then paragraph 3, click paragraph 2 or paragraph 1. Yeah, so that's fine. We can change all the pages, something like this. Just click on the edit icon and then image, click on the edit icon and then image, and same for the text. Just click on the edit icon and the image. And this is the fact section on the about page that I can edit. Just click on the edit icon and then here's see the three fact: the title, description, title, description, title and description. Okay, so that was the about page creation, that how we can create and make it save. Click on exit after save and then make the page as the primary navigation. So you will see about us and about. So this one need to make it not link. We can make it unpublish. Okay, enable or disable the page, then the page will not shown in anywhere. Okay, so for the demo page, same. Just click on the double click service demo. Yes, demo will gone. Yes, now the service page is in here. So you can change the service, same as the previous page. just click on edit icon and then make change whatever you like. Okay, so next video we'll see that blog page. Let's see about the contact page. Just click on the contact page, and then it will show you the contact form and information. Just click on edit, and then if you want to change the text, click on the text and change the phone number and the email also. Here is the form that I will receive a data from my or from your visitors who is interested to fill out or interested to connect, interested to message with you. Then they can enter their details on the form. Okay, so you can just click on the edit icon, and then here is the form button. Say you can add more field on the form. Just click on edit forms, and then add fields. Like if you want to add the phone number fields, just click on the phone, and the phone number is in here. So you can drag sure, you can drag from here phone, name, email, phone, and message, and then make it done. If you want to enter your own email address, then you can change the email address from here. Just click on here and then enter another email address that you want to receive the form submission data. Okay, and then what will be after submit, you can send a thank you message or make a redirect to your another page. Okay, so I hope you understood that how to create the basic pages on the Squarespace. Thank you.